Primetime news this evening. Former contractor general says anti-corruption strategies not working. Temperatures rising but no water to cool down. A special report on how the elderly are coping in one community. And hopes high as ground broken for Morant Urban Center.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, it's Wednesday, and this evening we have our gas tracker. It's bad news for motorists. Gas prices are going up. The details later in the business day.
And Jeremy Brown, what's happening in sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, he says he will be retiring, then he says he will not be retiring. That is Chris Gayle, as they look to face India at the World Cup in England tomorrow. The details of these and more when we come back.
I should have gotten the pink memo, but there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on efforts to tackle corruption in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.